uh, I hope my audio is fine. I don't know. Recently, this microphone fell down and it's working fine. Or I post this link, Discord, and first of all, Happy New Year. I know it's for most of you guys, it's January 2nd and something like that. But for me, it's still January 1st, and this stream is not regarding any CV hunting. It's been I didn't do much work these days because I've been going through some things in my life. So it's kind of transitioning is going on. So I just need some time to get used to all those things. Uh, in this stream, I try to set up my environment in the background. So if you have any questions and stuff, just feel free to ask. And and also I'll be telling out things that I'm going to do. So it's going to be fun, and I think so it's going to be good for you. Hi everyone. Hello. Thanks for joining the stream. I'm living in US, United States. Happy New Year, guys. So there are a lot of things going on. I recently purchased Learn One subscription from Offsec. I got it for like $2,079 or something, which is really good because right now it's like 2,700 or something. Uh, it's for MS. Right now I'm doing MS. Uh, I got it for like $2,000, and I'm planning to do OS EP because OS CP is great. The Pen 200 is good, but I felt like there is a lot of things that are being missed out, like bypassing the evasion techniques and all. And also, guys, do let me know if my audio is good. I don't know if my audio is good. Recently, my mic fell down, and I don't even know if it is good. I just need to check it on my phone at least once. Mm, yeah, it's good. Fine, it's good. Lights. It's kind of dark right now. So, on. Mm, I don't know. Just ignore the background because I told you I'm moving to a new place, so all the things are just like that. And also lighting and all is also pretty bad. So as you mentioned, to be honest, I like to work in dark, so that's the reason I use dark in most of the times. Yeah. And coming to the part, I will be doing my OS EP and OSWP. So right now I'm doing the OSWP because I felt I could do that much faster. Maybe in like a month or two, I might give it uh, a go and see if I can actually do it. I mean, Wi-Fi pen testing and all, I do have some experience with them, but uh, let's see how it fares. In the background, I would like to set up my environment for the CV hunting. So, it's been like 9 days or 10 days since I uploaded something. Uh, but yeah, I'll be more regular now. Mm, yeah, all thanks for joining. I know it's early, I guess it's 9 a.m. or something in India, and I know most viewers are from India, so 9 a.m. So it's good. And I'm planning to you know be more regular on my channel too. So it's like I want to upload as many videos as I can. So no more like no this year I didn't do much. I'll be honest with you all. I didn't even uploaded like 20 proper videos on my channel instead of some content and all. I just felt like I didn't do good, at least in the second part of 2024. And first part I felt I'm not being much regular. At least previously I used to do like at least one video a week, but now it's bad, it's gone. Which should be changed this year. So that's the reason I'm starting this with this stream, just like a kind of promise kind of thing. At least one video. It's not big deal because I know people who are working in like very big tech. There are some YouTubers who work in like very big tech, like Cyberwalks and all. For Amazon and all, but they still upload videos very consistently. And it's there is no excuse for me to say that I'm kind of too busy. No, I could, if I can sit and write an RT, if I do some research and stuff, then I could definitely come up with that. I did some research. I might be making more videos on Wi-Fi challenges and also incident response. So yeah, let's see how incident response is something which I haven't gone through on my channel anyway. So at the moment I'm scouting for the resources which I can show you. I guess uh, you might get one video this week which gives you the process of going through the logs and also how you actually use Bash terminal to filter out logs and all those cool parts. So yeah, kind of excited for that. Uh, I don't know. Technically, I gave my first attempt when I was in India and I failed. But in second attempt, I came back to India again for my summer holidays and I gave it in the break and that summer break, which when I was in India. So it's I don't know how to say this, but I don't know. The place doesn't matter at the moment, but I did complete the OSCP. Uh, in the background, I'm setting up the environment, guys. So for the tomorrow, I'll stream it. Dynamic analysis part of that uh, CV hunting that we are doing. So if you don't know, till now we did this static analysis. Went through the source code and see if there are any stuff keys and all. And one thing I forgot to see was keys and all. If there is some kind of encryption and all kind of things, just going through. If there are any hard coded keys and stuff like that. I forgot to show that, but I did it later once the stream is done. Once the stream was done, so I should do that. And dynamic part, I'll come probably tomorrow live. Not to probably, I'll do definitely live tomorrow. So at the moment I don't have this setup. I just kept failing that thing for some reason. So yeah. So OSCP and OSWP and OSCP. So yeah, let's go. And if you have any suggestions for the type of videos that you want me to make on my channel, just post it out. I have my email address and everything mentioned, so you can just reach out. There are so many ways that you can reach out, so just try to reach out, and that should, if you feel that if you want me to make any kind of videos. But at the moment I would focus some on instant response for some few months, trying to go through some exercises and stuff like that. So let's see how it goes. kind of started learning incident response and all these things because of the job interviews and all, and I felt like if I can create some videos on my channel, it would be a very good portfolio. uh, I don't know much about army and all, to be honest, but I think there are definitely going to be exams, so it AD content. Okay, I did some AD content, but the problem with AD content is like the lab environment is very hard to set up every time. For example, I could show some attacks, but if I want to show you some sophisticated attacks, right? So it gets harder for me to set up the lab. So that I actually wanted to create so many videos on AD pen testing and all, but no man, I couldn't find out. I should start scouting for some machines like on Hack the Box or Try Hack Me to see if I can find anything. But let's see. If you have any things, right, just try to put it on my Discord server or something. I'm very interested in doing this AD pen testing, but only thing that is stopping me is uh this lab, man. This I'll be honest with you, setting up AD lab is a big pain, and you need to run like a domain controller, two client machines, and one what do you call this, attacker machine. So it's going to be a big pain. Windows boxes, okay. Yeah, to be honest, the part that I'm going to learn is going to be OSEP, experienced pen tester. It's pen 300. It mostly focuses on evasion techniques on and Windows, and also you can expect some kind of content. If I feel something that's good enough to cover, then I would upload them. So some content related to OSWP and OSCP will be coming up in between. So those are checked up, and the reason why I'm doing OSWP is like I felt OSEP might take some time because I'm kind of very new to those domain, and I felt like if I start this OSEP in the first, I might don't know, it might take like some months because I'm also doing my full-time study. So I don't know, I felt like it might take more time. So let's see how it goes. So I felt like the first few months of this year could be a bit light for me. So I felt like giving OSWP would be an easy and quick win. Let's see. But the problem with OSWP is like I once I purchased, there is no uh a proper lab. Like if you take OSCP or OSEP from offsec, there is a lab environment and challenges, but for OSWP there are no challenges or something like that. There is something called Wi-Fi challenge lab, which is like third party one which you need to do challenges on. I know it's kind of weird, but I don't know, to be honest, no one should buy OSWP. I mean, I got it for free because $2,000 is better, because even though if you take a certification for 90 days, it costs like $1,800 or something. For extra $200 you're getting 365 days of lab and one more exam attempt. So I felt like it's kind of a calculated step that I took just by spending like $200 extra. That's it, nothing more than that. And I got this OSWP as a complimentary, so that's the thing. For 81st, explain what using simple PPT. So okay, sure, I try to do that. But if you want to learn, right, I actually mentioned some resources in one of my past videos where you can there is this good try hack me room on Active Directory, which gives you like all the information possible out there. So if you are interested in that, then no, it is not pre-recorded, it's going on live. You can ask any questions and all. You- In the background, I'm just doing some I don't know, I'm just looking for some uh how to set these things, and it's- yeah. I want to get some CVs too, so I'm just looking for that. SQL dumper. To be honest, I don't like the concept of using this like too much automation. I mean, I might guess it might be somewhat similar to SQL map or something like that, but I know it's fine. I think SQL map should be good enough. I don't know why you use this SQL dumper and all, but to be honest, SQL map should be fine. I use SQL map, that should be fine. To be honest, if you are learning out on security, right, don't rely too much on tools, because these tools will come and go. If today there might be SQL map, tomorrow there will be like SQL mapper or some other name, some weird name, something like that. Try to get as much as information. What is SQL dumper? I'm seeing this. There is an executable file. What is it doing? Dark search vulnerable. So is it okay? Is it like an executable where you run and you get all the files kind of thing? I don't know. Oh, you have a website. I don't know, man. I don't have much good opinion on this. I'm honest about that because this tool is like 4 year old, so it's not too recent. Okay, I'm sorry. I just clicked something and I went back. Yeah, database. I can know that SQL dumping. I know that, but to be honest, I personally like to do it. Manually. So and if I feel like there is a lot of data content to be done, I use SQL map, sorry, and it gives me all the information that I want. I don't know, I never used this thing. But also SQL map and all, to be honest, I got rid of all those automated tools uh because OSCP, when I was preparing for OSCP, there is a lot of restrictions on what type of uh, tools to be used and all, and they restrict using automated tools and stuff like that. So kind of mid. And this is an executable and it runs on Windows. So I would like to keep. And also one more problem is like with these executables is once you try to download them and run from your Windows, right, your antivirus will start giving you a lot of complaints and stuff like that. So I would stick to SQL map for the time being, but I'll give this a go in future. Nothing looks interesting, to be honest, for me. Why to use SQL dump? Daily routine. At the moment, I'm trying to fix that. It's not good. Great. If something comes up, my daily routine breaks. But uh, the peak daily routine was, uh, I go to gym every day and attend classes. I think that's the thing. But I have to set the daily routine because I felt like it's gone completely. because because this is like holidays for me, like winter holidays, and I just want to chill as much as I can. And yeah, let's see. To be honest, I should fix mine. I'll be honest about that. My routine is very bad. At least one thing that I did well in 2024, at least from the second part, is like I went to gym every day. I mean, every day as I can. I guess I missed like 10 days or something like that. I just went every day whenever the gym is open. So we have this college gym, so I used to go to every day. It's really good. I really went every day. I don't know, but it's a really good thing. It's a very good discipline thing that I did very well. And yeah, apart from that, there are no much greater wins for me. Apart from that CVE, which I felt the CVE is okay, it's not great. But anyway, you need to start with something, right? So I felt like okay, that's a good thing to start with. I'm not saying I'm not satisfied, kind of thing, but it's okay. Hmm. I think I should also think about this time when I should live stream and all, because uh, this time is kind of early for everyone to join. It's not leaving most of Telugu permanently. To be honest, I'm just a partner for them. I used to, I created courses for them in Telugu, and it's not leaving kind of thing. I don't have anything with them. I mean, I'm still in contact with all those guys, so it's fine. It's because I went to a different country, and things are not going to work as when I was in India and stuff. Time is kind of limited for me, so I'm not, and there is no much. I felt like there is a I think we've done good for the pen testing at least, and because that's what I felt I know till now. I should learn this evasion techniques, and maybe I could create a new video, a new course for them. It's just a partnership, and there is nothing wrong. It's not like leaving and stuff like that. I would definitely collaborate if I have something. But it's a really good thing. It gave me a lot of good exposure. I think the courses are still available, and I hope people learn something new from that. It's fine. Oh, nice, nice, nice. I might make videos. I mean, few courses in future. Let's see how it goes. But not at the moment because creating courses take a lot of time. I would stick to my channel for the time being and create as many videos as I can and gain some subscribers and following too. I felt like my channel got stagnated a lot. It got stuck with the same thing, so I should do something about that. Because this gave everything. I think courses are still there. Yeah. No, man, I'm not on Telegram and all. To be honest, I'm not on Telegram. Hmm. Figuring out how I can install this. There is no file. No, I did LinkedIn. I uploaded my certificate on LinkedIn. Just I also featured it on my profile. Also, you can check that out. Yeah, there is one. This is. No, man, I'm in US. No, there is nothing like coaching for OSCP. Self study only. I mean, I doubt anyone would do coaching because the OSCP itself costs like so much money. If you think of like doing it, if you want to coach, right? If you want to take coaching, it will be like so much more. Bruh, this is taking so much time for me to set up. Installation is pretty easy, but the goal is to do some dynamic analysis, right? So I don't know how to self-host this. I need an organization access token. What the hell is that? There is no organization token, man. How should I get this organization? There is like so much potential to do, but I'm sucking at doing. Why did they make it so hard to set up? They're just asking for that organization token, which I can't find it for some reason. I can only see, can't see anything. Should I pay for this or to pay unlock all fees? Just getting public key, but it's useful. To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. Hidden organization token. Oh, Lunar Enterprise Edition. Got it. So the thing here is, it only works in. Come on. Then how can I do this thing? I might have to do the other project because if I want to set this up locally, I need to have an enterprise edition. For some reason, enterprise edition is not going to happen because it's not going to work that way. To be honest, I don't know. Maybe I should choose some other project. People are finding out. I don't know vulnerabilities on this. To be honest, I want to work more on this web part. I'll just post a message on my I'm using laptop and I don't have a PC at the moment. I might use a PC. Might buy a PC or construct one. That's one of my goal, but I don't know, man. It's thing is I don't know when I have to move to different place and stuff like that, and I can't invest on something that you know you might got my point. It's carrying these things around is like kind of hard. I'm using my old laptop. This machine that I'm streaming from is my old laptop, which is serving me from 2019. It's good. I play games on this too. Sometimes it's like my PS5 also. Sometimes basic. I play like basic games, and for streaming, uh, yeah, it's good. It has like 32 gigs of RAM, i7 ninth generation H processor, and GTX 1650, which is sufficient for the work that I do on this laptop, which is mainly streaming and all. And my personal laptop is just personal. I don't want to open that because there is a lot of personal content on that. So kind of afraid if I might leak something. But yeah. What other laptop? It's ThinkPad. It's basic laptop. It's not like goat specs kind of thing. It's okay, medium processor in my opinion. AMD Ryzen 7 Pro and 32 gigs of RAM again, because these days these laptops come with you know soldered things, so except soldered RAM and all these things, so it's kind of bad too. That's the reason I went with 32 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of SSD. That's sufficient for my personal things and all. And also personal thing in the sense my coursework and all these things that I do, and also the certifications that I prepare, all are on that thing. Because I got to know that if I leak some content from offsec or stuff, right, I might get banned. So no, bruh. Cybersecurity always been like that, man. Not like trending. The thing with cybersecurity is like it's people will give up very easily in cybersecurity. That's one thing that I'm sure of. It's not if you stick on. You need to stick on a lot of time in cybersecurity. It's not like you sit for like 1 or 2 months and you'll get some result. Not like that. Yeah, I'm doing MS. United States, US. Yeah, OSWP and OSCP are coming up. Hopefully, I'll do it by the end of this year. OSCP is I'm kind of logged in because I want to learn this evasion techniques and all. Felt like doing the bare bones OSCP is kind of good, but the things that I use like reverse shells and all, it's kind of everyone will detect that because well, when I'm learning this at CMU, I learned about this uh, what you call uh, this defense part to like forensic part and too. So when I performed most of the attacks, I was able to detect all of them. I It's great, man. Hack codes. It's great. Do I know you on Twitter? There is one guy I know. I don't know if that's you or not, but that's great. OECD is great, but I've heard it's mostly based on 32-bit architecture, right? I mean, am I right or wrong? Are the applications that are involved in OECD are 32-bit or 64-bit too? Because I mean, there is no much difference to be honest. 32-bit and 64-bit, but I mean, except the address. Okay. But I hope, I mean, that is one thing that I might do it in next year, maybe OECD or something, because I like this binary exploitation part. I did some CTFs and stuff like that, doing this stack canaries, ASLRs, address randomizations, where 32-bit is like very dumb, even though if you implement that and bypassing some basic protections and all. But OSWE, no, I'm not doing OSWE. Web, I felt like mid, there's like I like to hunt vulnerabilities on web, but not that. But OSCD, I'll definitely do that next year after doing OSCP. I hope OSCP is going to be good. I'm kind of excited for that because I want to learn this. What do you call this bypasses, evasion techniques, and all. So yeah, hopefully I'll make it. Take care, man. All the best for your exam. Don't screw it up. Yeah. I need to do CV hunting for some reason. The project that I chose kind of messed up. Uh, yeah, I'll definitely do live tomorrow. I want to. YCP is on the one end, I know that, but I should also do the CV hunting. I should get at least 2 or 3 CVs. At least not the code, 0 days kind of thing, but at least small CVs to start out with. Kind of excited for that. I felt I chose a good project, but I'm not able to set that up internally because of this license. I mean, uh, they should do something because they have a program on Hunter, right, which is a platform where you can hunt for vulnerabilities. I don't know why, but I felt like will they give anything? Are they giving any tokens that I can use? Oh man, there's potential because people are identifying so many vulnerabilities. They're identifying vulnerabilities and stuff. Ah, damn it! Wanted to do this, but uh, let's see. Let me choose one more good project. If you have any suggestions for any projects, just let me know. Hi, name. What is your name? If you have any suggestions for the type of project should I choose, just try to let me know. I'm mostly looking for web things because I want to cover as many domains as I can. So web and all these things. I felt like hunting CVs in the web part will be more useful for me because I'll be more connected to the web pen testing part and all. So yeah, let's see. Instagram, no, don't have any official Instagram for this channel. I have personal one, but it's just personal. Hmm, I think this stream is kind of dumb. Yeah, hi, hi, hi. I should scout for more projects, dude. I thought I could sit on that and work. I mean, as the stream is going on in the back end, I'm trying to set up that environment, but I got to know it requires a token authorization token. Uh, yep, I'll find a new project. I just asked people on Twitter. Twitter will do its job, maybe. Want to hunt, man. Hunt for CVs. Just one more. Yep, I think that is it. Just this finally happy new year, guys. There is nothing much in the stream. Tomorrow I'll do a stream for CV hunting again. Let's hunt for some good CVs. Uh, you know, let's see if I can do something good. And thank you for joining the stream. There is nothing much in the stream. Just to wish happy new year and say what I want to do. Maybe like I want to create more videos. That's something that I'm lacking. Gain some substantial amount of subscribers in at least 20,000. I'm planning for 25,000. Let's see if I can make that or not. I had to work on a lot of research, dude. I mean, that's the thing. If I can sit and do more research, then I can maybe reach that 25,000 mark. But I'm aiming for the 25,000 subs mark, and I will reschedule all these videos and all these things. I think this live stream time is kind of odd for many people because many people are based in India, and the time right now in India is people where people go to their offices and just wake up in some time. So I need to rethink of this time too. So yeah, let me see the question. I'm starting for bug bounty so that I can start learning concepts from books like real. Yeah, I think I would suggest reading wouldn't take you anywhere. Practical, I'm a strong advocate of practical things, and Coach Figure is a really good place to start, and it has everything that you want to learn for web pen testing. Just do the Ports Figure labs, and that should be good for your life. Yeah, if you're planning to get into web pen testing or bug bounty or whatever it is. Happy New Year all. And thanks guys for joining the stream. Will come back again stronger with something. Let's hunt for more CVs. I will be streaming tomorrow too. I will ask the time. What time should I stream? Because this time is kind of odd. So yeah. Thanks for joining. Bye.